New today, a kennel employee accused by police and prosecutors in the death of a dog at a boarding facility in Ballard faced a judge and the dog's owners today. He pleaded not guilty. The dog died in August, but the now former kennel employee was recently charged. The owner told KOMO's Michelle Esteban they had to be in court to get justice for their black lab. She's live outside the King County Courthouse with more. Michelle?
Well, Mary, like for so many pet owners, this dog was considered a part of their family. They tell me they are still reeling 2 months after learning about the sudden and tragic death of their dog.
We're incredibly heartbroken. Mitch was our baby. This just senseless act of violence has been earth-shattering for us.
Their beloved black lab, 6-year-old Mitch, was the victim of what prosecutors describe as a brutal attack at the hands of a kennel employee entrusted to care for him. Even more devastating to them, Mitch was boarded so they could welcome the birth of their first child.
We, again, loved Mitch so much, and we were just so looking forward to him meeting his baby sister, who was born just 3 days before he was kicked to death.
Court documents say 20-year-old Dejean Bowens became irritable with the 6-year-old lab, nicknamed by kennel staff Mr. Smiles, after it knocked something over at the kennel. Prosecutors allege these images from surveillance video shows Bowens intentionally kicking and punching the dog as he tried to cower under a table.
We boarded Mitch at this particular doggy daycare facility, Ballard's Lazy Dog, Crazy Dog, for years. I completely trusted them with, obviously, his life. So this was just incredibly shocking.
Those same documents say he brought the dog to an emergency vet more than an hour later, but it was too late. Repeated attempts at CPR failed. The Brocatos hold the kennel responsible, too. I asked them for an interview, but they said not now. In a social media post, they said the employee has been fired, and in the kennel's lobby, they told a client they were saddened and shocked.
And I think that's a piece of this, is what sort of training is required to take care of our beloved animals, and what training was provided for this facility.
Bowen is charged with animal cruelty in the first degree. He faced a judge and the Brocatos in court.
He deserves justice, and we want to make sure that this never happens to any other dog.
I want to point out that animal cruelty in the first degree is a felony with a maximum penalty of up to 5 years. Bowens has no record. The judge did release him on home electronic monitoring. He is due back in court in November. Now, while this happened in August, clients just found out about it over the weekend at that doggy daycare, and some of them not happy they're finding out now, rather back in August. That's the very latest. Back to you.
Those images are really hard to look at, Michelle. The dog owner said that they've used that daycare for several years. Did they have any previous issues?
No, Mary, I asked them that question. They did not, and they say that's what makes this so shocking. They intend to file a civil suit, they told me. But the thing that they really stressed is you really have to do your homework, and they said that they felt that they did their homework as well. State law exists surrounding animal cruelty, but operations can really vary from facility to facility. You do want to look for a good ratio for dog employees. You also want to make sure a facility has a safety plan, and you've got to inquire about their employee training. That's the very latest. I'll throw it back to you.
Michelle, thank you.